Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Abarth 124 Spider on a 68 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a two-door car with those black alloy wheels, the black bonnet, black boot lid as well. We're going to start off in that rear space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have those four tailpipes, the reversing sensors as well, and given the nature of the vehicle, a decent amount of boot space, as you can see. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see not only are the alloy wheels in pristine condition, the bodywork is fantastic the whole way around the vehicle as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge, the total miles of the car, which are 28,868. We have the rev counter in the centre, and then over to the right-hand side, the speedometer for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo and phone controls. And over on the right-hand side, the cruise control for the car. Into the centre, the main screen. So it's up on here that you can do various things from accessing your satellite navigation to pairing your phone. As you can see, the sat-nav is a nice clear colour display. Very easy system to use. All the movement, all the controls of the screen, it's all done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So from there, you can go back to your home screen where you can, of course, pair your phone, which we're not going to do at this moment in time. Back to the main menu, you've got your entertainment menu here. So there's a number of ways in which you can listen to music in this car, and you can see those all being displayed up on the screen now. You've also got reversing sensors, as I mentioned, so putting the car in reverse, you'll hear those working. Working our way down from that, we have the climate control. You can adjust the temperature inside the car, the fan speed, and of course the direction the air is being distributed in. If you wish to, you can turn this to auto, and you can turn this to auto. What the car is now doing is maintaining this temperature by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air, or you can just have it take control of the fan speed, for example. At the moment, the air conditioning is turned off, so to turn it on, hit that button, and you'll see that light will come on. We can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on, of course, the temperature you've set over there. Underneath that, we have two USB inputs. We have an auxiliary input. Particularly important for a convertible, heated seats. So the driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox as well. And you can change the driving setup of the car, so you're able to put the vehicle into sport from here, should you wish to do so. The last thing I wanted to mention is the roof. So it's all manual. You just loosen this catch first of all, and then the roof, as you can see, will move away from its kind of fixing there. Now you can do this next bit from inside the car, but it's a bit hard to do whilst also filming, but simply push that down, that then clicks into place. It's as easy as that, and then when you want to close the roof, lift that up, and then pull this back and lock it back in place from inside the car. It's as easy as that. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, the spare key is in this envelope, so 2 keys in total. We then have, as you can see, the service book with stamps for 2019, 20, 21 and 24 there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Alternatively, if you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the vehicle, we are more than happy to do that as well.